Inabutan kayo ng matinding gutom habang nag-e-enjoy sa Paliton Beach and you're craving for delicious salo-salo meals kung saan pwedeng umorder nito? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan! Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor. Ocean Balls Bistro Siquijor, located at Cangbusio Beach aka Small Paliton Beach, now offers these delicious salo-salo sa bilao. Set A for 850 pesos, good for 4 to 6 persons. May kasama itong rice, pansit, chicken wings, fish kinilaw, spring rolls, fish tempura at salad. You can request buttered shrimp for an extra price. If mas marami kayong kakain, order na ng set B for 1,450 pesos, good for 8 to 10 persons. Kasama na dito ang rice, pansit, chicken wings, fish kinilaw, spring rolls, buttered shrimp, boneless bangus, at salad. Para sa mga vegan at vegetarian, meron din silang Belao Special for 950 pesos. May kasama na itong rice, pansit, vegan fried chicken, eggplant omelette, vegan sisig, salad wrap, onion rings, at vegan patties. To learn more about their other food options, please check my previous vlog. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid, and we explored the delicious salo-salo sa Bilao, the newest food offerings of Ocean Balls Bistro Siquijor. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!